Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and remove Powered by Shopify from your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website if you have not already. So go right here to shopify.com, and once you open it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here in the upper right corner, the first thing you can do is log into your account. If you do not already have one, just sign up for one, and once you're logged in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From here, we can get started with setting up our store, managing all the store sections we have. So let's go and take a look at how to remove the text that says Powered by Shopify from your Shopify store. Basically guys, this is a bit more complicated. I'm just going to show you the steps how to get to it, and then you're going to follow this article for yourself. On the official Help Shopify page, there is an article that says how to remove the Powered by Shopify from your online store, and this is what we're going to follow. So you're going to edit the default theme content. We're going to open up our online store right here on the left side of the screen by clicking on it and open up our themes, and from there we are going to find the theme that we want to edit, and then click the three dots to edit the default theme content. It's going to look like this. You're going to click these three dots right here next to edit theme, and then it's going to enable you to edit default theme content. Once you click on that, it's going to open up this new menu where you're going to follow the rest of the steps. Where in the filter items, you're going to use the search box, enter power, and this is going to bring up the Powered by Shopify and Powered by Shopify HTML boxes. Then in those boxes, you're going to enter a single space, and if your store is password protected, you can repeat the step for the Powered by Shopify HTML box, which appears in the opening soon page. After that, just click save. That's going to appear right here in the upper right corner, and after clicking save, you are going to go and be able to see there is no more Powered by Shopify on your store, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.